Yuzu Marmalade is a delicious spread made from yuzu, a unique Japanese citrus fruit. The flavor of yuzu is a complex blend of orange, tangerine, lemon, honey, floral, and grapefruit. To make the marmalade, yuzu skin is poached while the inner flesh is cooked with honey and cane sugar. The flesh and the skin are then combined, cooled, and finally jarred to make the finished product. Yuzu marmalade is great spread on toast, served with a cheese plate, as a topping for dessert, mixed into tarts or other baked goods, or even stirred into tea for a soothing treat. If you know someone who loves apricot jam or orange marmalade, have them try yuzu marmalade. They're guaranteed to love it. The jars are beautifully packaged and make for a great gift, and we offer two sizes, a 10-ounce jar and a large 20-ounce jar. Our marmalade is all natural and completely preservative and additive free. It's made with only 3 ingredients, yuzu, sugar, and honey. To learn more about yuzu marmalade, go to marxfoods.com. Thanks for watching.